because you're going to be seeing more helpful, interesting and exciting video. And also thumbs up this video if you do love this video, and leave your comment below. Spots in the face is as a result of pimples, of course, and those spots stays on the face because people poke it, press it, or whatever English you might understand it. When you poke your pimples, the water from the pimples falls down to some other places, or it just stays there, cause a clot, therefore making dirt to get into that place. I have an encounter one time in life where I have so many spots because of some reactions, and I have been able to, of course, treat my spots. Now I want to show you the things that I've been using for my spots. So if you want to see how I'm going to be achieving the spot removal, that's why I don't have so much spots on my face, but yeah, I am going to be showing you just for you to know, so keep on watching. Okay, my recipe for this video is going to be potato, and I'm going to start by peeling it. Now I'm going to slice it so as to get the juice out of it. And this is my potato for my black spots. I'm going to be using the potato like this. Okay, now why I don't want to blend this potato is because I don't have severe spots on my face. In most cases where people have severe spots on their faces, there's another method in which you can use the potato. Alright, so if you don't have severe spots on your face, you can just use it this way. Massage this potato on the affected area of your face, like where you have spots, just like I'm doing now. You just massage it there and let the juice from this potato touches that place very well. This is a pet mat though, it can't go off. It can't go off. So I just massage it. In some cases I just massage it all over my face because it's very good also. After massaging it, you just let the juice sit on your face and dry off and clear off the spots on your face, and you have clear and smooth skin. That will be it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and leave your comment below, and most of all, share this video. Let your friends also have this idea on how to take spots out from your face, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.